Hello, testing, testing. This is heavy. Slowly but surely, I'm getting this place in order. This is what this place looked like a year ago. And this is what it looks like now. So, you know, I got these lights in the ceiling. A bit childish maybe, but anyway, I kind of dig it. You know, getting my computer, my laptops and my iPad and my synth and stuff on this wall. I've been working on just printing out a lot of stuff on this wall. Just trying to get things in order. All my Ryobi tools and battery chargers and everything like that. Still a bit of a mess. I haven't figured out like my sorting here, but there's a lot more coming up on this wall. And this whole thing here, the bamboo printer, is it's a workhorse. It's really saving my life right now. I love this machine. If you're getting a 3D printer, the Bamboo A1 is just bloody amazing. My little worktop here is a bit messy. I've been sorting all these Lego parts in colors. This will be the McLaren P1. I'll just clean this up a little bit and I can show you what I'm going to do. I'm actually just wanting to test out the microphone. Currently, I am rendering an image for the next video. It's just a breakdown of that Volvo S60 scene. What I want to do with this setup, with my camera here, is that I'm going to build a photogrammetry scanner, an automated one with Arduino. So I'll be designing parts that will be 3D printed, and I will be programming Arduino to get it all automated, or semi-automated at least. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So basically what I'm trying to do is, you know, you have these like NEMA 17 motors, like basically looks kind of like this, just a stepper motor. And then you have a little rod there, and this just moves. So what I want to do, first of all, I want to print a little case to this to put that motor in. And that case should have a connector for a tripod. So we would have, you know, just a typical like Manfrotto tripod. Please excuse my shitty drawing now, but you have these like triangular legs. Then I want to have another piece. I have this Edelkrone Stand Plus, which basically looks something like this. So you can have the camera here and then just lift this or pull it in any direction or rotate it in a direction. So that makes it really easy to change angles when photogrammetry scanning. So what I want to do is on this here, I want to have basically a base plate, and I want to have a plate for the camera, and then there should be the camera, obviously. And then there should be a little thingy here, and in front of here there should be a light fixture with a lot of LED lights here. And in the center of this, sorry for my shitty drawing, where the camera looks through, there will be an FPM filter. That is a fast polarization modulator, or module, I guess, I don't know. Basically, it's a glass that you can, with Arduino, turn on and off the polarization filter. This will help us create reflection maps. So the idea is that we have two parts. We have the camera, and we have this little motor on a tripod. So you place, basically, you have the tripod here, and you have a little motor here, and then we print some kind of plate that will be on top of there. Oops. So, and then you put whatever you want to scan, like let's say a vase or something, we put there. And then we have an Arduino, so we have a little computer, a little control box that will have cables up to control the motor, and then it'll also have cables to trigger the camera. So whenever maybe we have some LCD screen here, some buttons, we can do settings and stuff, and then whenever we hit start, this will rotate the plate, and then it will turn on the lights, it will trigger the camera to take a photo, and then it'll flip the fast polarization module, and then it takes another image. So then we have two identical images, but one with polarization and one without polarization. And that way we can get perfect reflection maps. And then when it's done that, it just rotates this a little bit. And then and then he takes another image, and then he does that for 360 degrees, so an entire orbit. And then what you do as an operator, you just take here and just move the camera to where you want it, and then you click the button. I'll actually have another little cable here to have a trigger button on my tripod here. So whenever I click that button, I will start a new scanning sequence. So I can just click, and then it rotates, takes all the images, then I move the camera, click, and then it does everything. It will not be automated in the way that my previous, maybe you remember that, I had something that looked table in the middle, and then the camera here, and this whole thing would automatically turn up and down to capture the different angles of the object. And that was quite neat, but it was unstable. It wasn't really good, and also made it really hard to take like close-up photos and stuff. So, but with this, it is a little bit more manual, but I can also control exactly where I want my camera for the next set of angles. Sorry, my hand is in the way all the time. So I hope this makes sense to you. This is what I will be doing for the next couple of should I say, physical videos, where we are going to build this, and I will show you the design in 3D printing. I will show you the assembly, the soldering, the Arduino stuff. I will show you all the parts. I will show you the coding, everything. So if you want to, you can replicate this on your own. And with that being said, I'm now going to record a breakdown of this image that I'm currently rendering. So I'll see you in that one.